I just need a minute to meditate and then I'll be fine. Okay, I'm good. With people spending more time at home than ever, our spaces are being used for a lot of different reasons, and the living room is no exception. In this episode, we'll give you great tips and ideas on creating the perfect space with products that serve multiple purposes. I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space. For busy families with kids, the living room is a space that has to accommodate many different needs. Luckily, this space allows you to move furniture around to give you exactly what you need when you need it. Personally, I love to start my day with a sense of mental clarity while relaxing on the sofa, enjoying a cup of coffee. I tried switching to matcha, but nothing hits like coffee. For keeping breakfast close, a rolling cart is a great option. It's easy to move when you don't need it anymore, plus it can help store things throughout the day. While parents are working, these lightweight nesting tables can easily be pulled apart and become a great place for the kids to do crafts and schoolwork. And with the family together in a shared space, mom or dad can easily jump in to lend a hand. A modular sofa easily adapts to your needs and gives you plenty of options. It will even work for a teenager who simply wants their own space while doing their homework. After a hectic day, when it's time to calm the chaos, connecting your sofa together makes this the best seat in the house. And trust me, it's great for snuggling up with a blanket for those cozy family moments. So far, so good. What's a movie if not an excuse to eat popcorn? This cart can be rolled over and used to keep snacks at an arm's reach, wherever you're sitting. There's no such thing as a conventional living room anymore. Using the right furniture will allow you to adapt to the needs of your whole family, any time of day, giving you endless possibilities. Use hashtag IKEA Inspo to let us know how you're adapting your room to the new demands of daily life. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space.